Good morning, reception. Okay, so it's time to do our speed sounds. Are you ready? Off we go. B, b, b. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. I, 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 I. Let's hear you loud. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. K, k, k. Nice and loud. Good, 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 good. T, 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 t. P, 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 p. Y. S. D, 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 d. Nice and loud. I'm gonna go fast. Z. Back to the beginning. Well done. Okay, now we have done our speed sounds, it's time for us to think about what is sound of the day. And yesterday we learned a nurse with a purse. And I told you, didn't I, that it's one of my favourites because I love the action. A nurse with a purse. So I've hid it in here and let's see if you can see it and say hello and remember what its sound of the day looks like. Who thinks they know what two letters we're looking for in a nurse with a purse? I need to see an and good. And together makes a nurse with a purse. Right, let's do this. Off we go. Ch, ch, chips and chops. E, see the bee. O, a goat in a boat. Shh, shh, a sheep in a shed. K, k, a duck in a truck. Start the car. O, a corn in the storm. K, k, a quick queen. A snail in the rain. Hello. A nurse with a purse. Look at a book. A poo in the zoo. The three thumbs. Nice and loud. I, a light at night. That's the beginning. Okay. Now, you were so good, I'm sure, at spotting a nurse with a purse. And I got it here. Now, I'm going to put it up here like we do, just so that we've got it to there to check and see how we write a nurse with a purse. Okay, so we're going to write a sentence because on day 2, we always write a sentence using our words. Okay, and I've been thinking, I want to use the word hurt and I want to use the word church. And my sentence is going to be, I hurt my foot at church. Shall we say it again? I hurt my foot at church. How many words did you get? I got 6. That is a long sentence with lots of words, but reception, can we do it? Yes, we can. So, my sentence was all about me, and I said, I hurt my foot. Right, I know how to do I, of course I do. We've been writing I since September when we started in school because we're just so clever. I is just a capital I, okay? I hurt. Hurt has got the sound in it, and that's why I'm using it today because it's got and together, hasn't it? So, hurt, I'm going to stretch it. Hurt. Can you stretch it with me? Hurt. Hurt. Okay. Sound it out. I need to leave a finger space. Sound of the day. Next, oh, and t. Good. My last sound at the end is t. I hurt my, and I remember my is a tricky word from last week. My, it's kind of one of the bit like you can sound it out, but because you can kind of hear the and the y, my y, can't you, when you say it like that. So that's what that one we can kind of remember, can't we? Finger space, my, and y. Okay, I hurt my, what did I hurt at church? I hurt my foot. Foot. Let's stretch it. Foot. And again, foot. Let's do a robot arms this time. Are you ready? Foot. I can do this. I'm going to try and I'm going to leave a finger space because I've got to leave a finger space between each word, or else it'll just be like, and it won't make sense. So, I hurt my foot. Up and down the flower to the roots, across for the leaves. Foot. Now, how do I write How many ways do I know to write So I could write down the umbrella, up the umbrella, and draw a puddle. Or I've learnt a new way to write I think it might be that way. How do I write with two letters? Two letters that make one sound. Look at a book. Who can remember that? What two letters do I need, reception? R and R. Good. Look at a book. So, what's the last sound in foot? Let's check. Foot. So what comes at the end here? Foot. Up and down the tower, around the tower, across the tower. I'm going to check my sentence. I hurt my foot. And the next part is where. Where did I hurt my foot? I hurt my foot at church. At. So I can't fit it on here, so I must go on the next line. At. What sound can you hear first? At. And then what's my next sound? At. Good, I need a t. Good, and you see how t is nice and tall? I hurt my foot at church. Now we're going to need to stretch church because there sounds like there's quite a lot of sounds there that I need to write. So come on, stretch it with me. Church. Church. I know that sound. What is it now? Chips and chops. Chips and chops. And what do I need for chips and chops? Who can remember what two letters I need? I think it's a curly k. And then we need a. So, I must leave a finger space. So finger space, and then sometimes if I can't really reach and it's not comfortable, I can use my finger space, pretend my finger's still there and leave an imaginary space and then do my next sound. Because you can't always keep your finger there and feel comfortable ready to write. So sometimes you can move your finger away and just remember to leave a space, an imaginary space, okay? My hip to make my chest sound. Wow. Church. A nurse with a purse. I love that one. Have you noticed? and let it help me. Why not steal it from there? Why not? Okay. Ch, ch. Hang on a minute. That's that same sound. Ch, ch. Just gonna copy that as well. Easy peasy. Why not let it help me? Ch, ch. Finito. I am done. I am finished. It is brilliant. I'm so proud of myself. I've got everything I need. I've got my capital letters and my finger spaces and my full stop and everything. I've checked it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. And that was what I thought it was at the beginning. I'm feeling really proud of myself. Right. Do you think you can make me really proud and write an sentence? And try, if you can, to write a sentence with 2 words in it. If you can. I mean, it's a challenge, but I would love to see you succeed at that. Okay, so good luck, and I look forward to seeing your beautiful sentences later on. Bye.